So today we're just going to walk you through a peer-to-peer lend to demonstrate what Fundora will be doing. Fundora, again, is built on top of Bulla Network. I have Mike Revie with me here today, and we will show you a peer-to-peer lend. So probably the best place to start. Can you see my screen,
I can.
Mike?
Yep, I
Okay.
can.
So the best place to start is in my MetaMask wallet. In this account, I've got 1,095 spot 9895 Wyoming Stable Tokens. And Mike is going to demonstrate through Bulla how to offer me a peer-to-peer loan, and then I will pay it back. So I guess take it away, Mike.
Okay, just quickly to get to Bulla Network, what you need is a wallet, and you need to go to our URL. The assumption is already, and Marco has a wallet, it's injected into the browser, and then you go to bulla.network. So let me just show that part of it too. And let me share. Here we go. Okay, share. All right, so Marco, you see launch the app. What I've done is I went to Bulla.network URL. I'm going to launch the app. I have at the top my MetaMask. It is in the browser. You can manage your browser with extensions. If you need more help on that, we're happy to help later, but let's dive in. So I'm going to launch the app. What it's doing is it's going to connect with my wallet and the blockchain. And what it's done now is it's taken this wallet and it's showing all the activity that's been going on for this wallet. And you can see you've been pretty active in Wyoming Stable Tokens, little USDC, etc. The Explorer lets you do a lot of things, which we can talk about later. There's receivables, there's invoicing, there's batch. But let's do a loan to Marco. So I click on loan. What I'm going to do is make a token that represents a loan. And if Marco accepts it, then he gets some Wyoming stable tokens. And then that token is a reminder that he owes me for stable tokens later. So I'm going to look up your guides. Bulla does let you cross-reference addresses with contacts. What it did there was looking for a credit score that's not working, unfortunately, right now. I hope to fix that. But I'm going to lend Wyoming stable tokens. Let's do 10. Let's do 1% interest for 30 days. So here you can see what's going on. I'm going to lend Marco 10 at this interest for 30 days. I'm going to say test loan 2. I could put in a recipient address so that Marco will know that the loan or get alerted, but he can also see it on his dashboard in Bulla. Let's do the dashboard this time, Marco, if that's okay.
That's fine.
And so now I'm creating the loan. You'll notice that it says it's approving anytime you do ERC20 sends, etc. It needs to be approved first, and then the payment can go out. And what you're seeing here is it's a little more than 10. That's because when you do a loan, you have to bind it to the two addresses involved. Otherwise, anybody else could try to execute functions on this token. So I'm going to confirm. And now, like I said, I've only approved it. So now I'm going to create the token. I'm going to confirm that. And because we're demoing, it takes time. All right. So now it throws me back to the Explorer, and what do I see? I see loan offers. There are two outstanding. Let's click on that. Loan two, your guide 10. I can view it. I can remind myself what I'm offering. I can rescind the loan if it's a mistake before Marco accepts it. And then I can cancel it too over time. So let's switch back to you, Marco, and you can see on your dashboard a loan offering.
Okay. Now we will go back to Bulla. I will connect my MetaMask wallet. I am connected. And we will see in the Explorer this from, I presume, your wallet.
Well, go to loan offers. Go to loan offers. You have two. So test loan two.
Test loan two. I can view, accept, or reject. So view. Okay, so the loan offer details on Sepolia, the test lend 2. This has been offered by you, Mike, with Bulla Test Wallet off to me, my wallet. So now I have either view logs, reject loan, or accept loan. I'm going to accept. Now in my MetaMask account, it's wanting to confirm. I will confirm. Transaction is pending. Again, we're on live demo, so it'll take its time. Okay. Transaction complete. Now, Mike, do you want me to go to my MetaMask?
Yeah, go back to home. Go back to home.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go to payables. Okay, you see there's the loan. It says you are repaying it, 10 Wyoming Stable Tokens. And now let's open MetaMask
Okay.
because Bulla doesn't really click on tokens.
Now,
And you have 1,105 spot 98, so 10 more Wyoming stable tokens than you had before.
yes.
If you want to pay this right away, right now, these friend lends are really pay to play. It's give me 10 bucks and I'll pay you back 11. If you pay it early, it doesn't give you a discount. We will have that version by the end of the month, but we could pay it off right now, right? And you would see the decrement in your account if you want to do that.
Yeah, let's do it really quick.
Okay, so click on view. So you're in payables.
Mhm.
You've got a loan repaying. You click on view, and it says make a payment.
It lines up, make a payment.
You can pay the total amount. Again, it's got to confirm. Again, it's got to approve and then pay. It's a little clunky. So now you say pay.
The awkward silence.
Yeah, I would X out of those details there. So now you can see it was paid. Click on your wallet, MetaMask wallet. See, yeah, and we're back down to 1095. You want to hand it over to me? I can show you what happens on my side. Okay. So do you see payments. So I would have a receivable. Oh, it's not updated yet. Let's see. Sometimes on test, things need to be forced to, you can see the payment there from your guide. And I should be able to see in my receivables, yes, paid, test loan paid. And I didn't show you my balance earlier, but I can tell you, I know it's come in. Well, the other thing I wanted just to say for people watching, you are using the source of truth, the blockchain, to then collaborate. So Marco and I have the same set of books. It's just because my address is a creditor, I have a receivable, and because his address was a pay in the debtor, he had a payable. But it's we're looking at the same data, just in two ways on the blockchain. So there you have it.
Good. Easier, faster, cheaper with trust. So yeah, thanks for your time, Mike. Fundora, Bulla, Wyoming Stable Token Commission.
All right, thank you. All right,
Okay,
bye.
bye.